Here we, here we are at Chicago School of Flower Design, and as always on Saturday, I'm blown away by these new designers. Fantastic. Hold that straight up. All the students are wondering the other way. Cascade. All the students are wondering how you got so good in a week. It doesn't take. How did you get so good in a week?
Because of you.
Well, I said I know I'm a good teacher, but I don't understand how they get so. That is perfect.
Thank you.
Here is her $1 million look. I told her. Look at that. It's like a mosaic. How hard was it to do?
Not difficult.
Not too bad.
Yeah, once you know what.
And this is her first one. Imagine if you've done 1 million of them like I have. Yeah, next time you're going to go high, low, and bounce around instead of going down the mountain. Hold it next to that. So there's her cascade. I'm telling you, better than New York designers I know. Been doing this for years, but they weren't designed. They weren't taught properly. You should see how pretty this looks on film. Flower School 101 online classes. Bye.